So, do you recognize any of these men?
No, I told you I was hiding in the bathroom stall. I didn't get to see his face, but I do remember him singing a song at the bar.
Do you remember what song?
It's an older song. Candy Rain?
So for real, I'm familiar. Number one, sing the opening of Candy Rain.
Really? Okay. Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die? Number two, keep it going. Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Number three. Oh, tell me what you want and all. Number four. And I will give it to you. Woo! 'Cause you are my love. Do you ever dream? Do you ever dream? Candy rain. Sing it if you're guilty. You're the same, my candy rain. My candy rain, yeah, yeah. My candy rain, ooh, baby. My candy rain.
Number 4. Number 4 is the one who killed my brother.
Oh, I forgot about that.